March 4th, 2020. Just sprayed some primer. Had to buff out a couple of the old rims. Just gonna paint them. So I'm priming those up. Got the original door handles primed up. Those are the fasteners for the rubber on the shifters. This bumper, gonna save that, so I started priming it. Ran out of primer, so this is where we're at today. Got it all on blocks, and so today I put in the box floor. So I actually left the original floor in there. It's pretty bad, but the frame, the box, the frame mounts are good. So rather than cutting it all out and putting a new one in there, I just went and got some 18 gauge metal cut and just put a little flange on the end, and I just put a treated piece of 3 1/4 inch plywood. Just cut it to size so it's nice and solid under there. It's got the metal on top. Before I put the treated plywood in, I sprayed the whole bottom with anti-rust. I think this stuff here. Oh yeah, this Fast Dry anti-rust. So yeah, I know it's not the professional way to do it, but that's the way I'm doing it because I'm doing this on a budget and I just want to have some fun with this. So yeah, so it's nice and solid. I'm actually going to use this angle iron, fasten it down, and that's going to be a dual purpose because I'm going to patch all this rust with some plates, and I'm going to drill the plates right into the angle iron, and that'll beef that up. And yeah, again, just doing this for fun. This isn't a professional, obviously. This is a backyard resto. And where else are we at? Got the old seat brackets cut out. Got the tunnel cover off. Probably gonna see if I can replace the gaskets. I'd like to get this unit to stop leaking as much as it does. It's not terrible, but I don't want it to leak anywhere. Yeah, I gotta get a new windshield because I was welding up there and I didn't cover the glass, and I put a bunch of burn marks in the glass, so that wasn't good, but shouldn't be too bad. It's a pretty straightforward piece of glass, thankfully. Here's the metal I'm going to use to make the seat bracket mounts. So the major body work I got to do, I ordered the back fender replacement. I ordered the rocker panel inner. The inner's all rusted out. So the inner and outer rocker panels I ordered, and the front fender little panels, I ordered that too. There, right there. That's like that on both sides. Under here, it's actually in pretty good shape. So the frame mount here, it's good. There's lots of metal on this side. That C channel is nice and thick, so Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but it is good on this side. And yeah, I got pretty lucky with that. This side is really good. This fender's good. I'm gonna probably use the same bumper. Looks like a custom build. I kind of like it. Hood's in good shape. And this side didn't age as well as the other side. That area there is rusted out really bad, so I'm gonna weld a bracket into where the middle's still good around here, just to fasten it. It is still holding there, but just to make it safe. Yeah, that's just a safety thing. The door, where the door attaches there, it's pretty rusted out, but good enough. It'll still hold the door. I'm just gonna scrape away all the rust and put some anti-rust on there, and truck bed liner. So yeah, same thing on this side. Gonna cut that out. I already got the inner and outer rocker panel cut out on this side. And then somebody had worked on this. So there's lots of body fill. So I'm gonna cut that out and do that side. It's rusted on this side, just the same as the other side. So same thing, I'm gonna drill through there and dig into that angle iron. So it's gonna work good. So that's coming along. It's, there's some rust there. I'm just gonna body fill that. And yeah, I got a game plan. Just chipping away at it. A couple hours here and there. It's coming along. I got this tent set up to keep the dust down in the shop. Working pretty good. And looking forward to getting these in. Got the Corbeau Baja suspension seats, and there's the bench seat. That's a 36-inch. And then those are the these are Scout brackets, the front side passenger and driver brackets. And then the bench, I'm just gonna have to fab something up myself. So yeah, that's it there, and I'm gonna do another video once I make some more progress.